Good morning. How you doing? I am Levi Charles today. I'm going to cut this pineapple up for my wife on Mother's Day. First, I'm going to cut the head off, and the reason, well, I'll show you in a minute. So we cut it like this, and then we use this for a flower, a little bouquet, you know what I mean? So you get a rose, and you put that rose right there, and you have your bouquet for your wifey. Hold on, I'll be right back. Got to get a saucer for my little bouquet. See that? Isn't that nice? So then we turn around and we cut. We call this D-butt. We cut D-butt. Okay. Just throw it in the trash. Now we're just going to slowly try to trim it down. You know, take your time now because this knife is sharp. And this might sound like a joke. To me, it is a joke. But this is very dangerous stuff. You can easily cut your finger, your hand.
And then you won't have anything to play with when you cut your trigger finger, if you know what I mean.
We're just gonna cut all these little peelings off and throw them in the garbage because right now I don't have any use for anything except the pineapple and my little rose bush. I had roses outside, but it rained so hard here in Memphis until it beat my roses up. Knocked all the leaves off my little bush outside. What is that bush? Okay. I love doing things special for my wife because she is so good to me. A little argue. She liked to argue, but she's still good. She liked to argue. She said, as long as I'm arguing, you know I'm still around. I said, well, that makes sense. So, you want this thing sliced up, baby? Okay. Going to put it over here because I like this doing stuff. This pineapple got so much stuff on it. I always keep those fingers out the way. Okay. Well, every time you look, you got another dark spot. Okay, here we go. We're gonna cut these like about 1/4 inch. So if she wants to cook it, she might even want to make a sandwich, a pineapple sandwich. That should be good. If y'all happen to see anything red, that'll be my blood. See, now see, this is real nice, nice round. And you can just take a bite off of that boy. Let me see. That damn thing's good. I didn't expect for it to taste like this. That's good. I don't know if she's gonna get all that pineapple or not. But this thing is good. So now I am finished wash up my finger. And I had a towel somewhere, but it got thrown away. Alright, what you want to do with these slices? Put them on a plate or something? Okay. Get a nice clean bowl for the pineapple. See there? I did not know that thing tastes that good. This pineapple is good. And I'll keep this piece over to the side because it's mine. So now here you go. Now I will turn over in hand and I'm going to get my rose so I can give this to my wife and make her a little bouquet. Okay, a little pineapple bouquet. Thank you. See you.